Hi everyone! Today we are celebrating Thanksgiving Day and today I'm at my friend's house. You already seen her in my previous videos, maybe?
In the background.
In the background, yes. Welcome to Thanksgiving 2021. We all made it. Today we are going to talk about Thanksgiving Day in 3 different countries.
I'm from New Hampshire, which is not far from where the first Thanksgiving was actually taking place.
I am from Canada. I'm from Ukraine.
That's right, we are going to talk about Thanksgiving Day in America, Canada, and Ukraine. We are going to talk about food, traditions, and just enjoy it. So this is my friend Jessica, and she's organizing this Thanksgiving dinner. Oh, can you tell me the story about your first Thanksgiving Day that you remember?
Mine? Let's see. They all kind of mix together, but I always remember Thanksgiving is cold, the leaves are off the trees, the boys are out hunting, and my grandmother's house smelled incredible, kind of like it smells here right now.
Nice. And what is this Thanksgiving Day for you?
Thanksgiving to me is a day when we can come together with friends if you're living on the other side of the world, or family if you're near home, and to just sit down and eat until you can't eat another bite, and laugh and talk and think about all the good things that God has done the past year of our lives, and be grateful. It's so hard to complain when we're being grateful.
And this is the menu schedule for the Thanksgiving Day. And over here we have stuffing, cranberry sauce, green bean casserole, mashed potatoes, sweet potato casserole, cranberry bread, turkey, of course, gravy, rolls, corn, ginger cookies, apple pie, pumpkin pie, of course with whipped cream. And almost everything is checked off this list. And it was created by this beautiful lady. And just enjoy and watch how it's done. And of course, everything starts with a good cup of coffee. Yay. And here we are cooking fried onion rings that we are going to put on the top of the green bean casserole. I believe cooking together before the Thanksgiving dinner, it's one of the experiences that all of us should have. It has lots of benefits. And these are the rolls that are about to go into the oven. And here are the ginger cookies that remind you of a Christmas that is coming very soon. By the way, there was a Christmas tree in that house where we celebrated Thanksgiving Day. We can't wait for Christmas. And how do you celebrate Thanksgiving Day in America?
We come together, cook for 2 days beforehand, eat so much that we're so full, and then either take a nap or watch football afterwards, and the Macy's Day Parade, of course, and then get ready for Black Friday and setting up Christmas trees over the weekend.
What is your favorite part of Thanksgiving Day?
My favorite part is probably just being with everybody and laughing and playing games together.
What is your favorite dish?
Pumpkin pie.
And what is your favorite game on Thanksgiving Day?
Oh, I like the ones where they're interactive, like charades or pass the scissors, or ones my grandmother used to play with us.
And finally, the main dish of today's feast. After 1863, the year when President Lincoln made Thanksgiving Day a national holiday, turkeys began to land on dinner plates across the country. Every November since 1947, a national Thanksgiving turkey has been presented to the US President, and today it is on our table as well. This is the perfect gravy made out of flour, butter, and broth. And except coffee, tea, water, for Thanksgiving Day we have a special drink, hot spiced cider. And now almost everything is ready for guests to arrive. And now please welcome Adriana from Canada. She is about to tell us about the Thanksgiving Day in Canada.
Hi, my name is Andrea Shalley, and I am a Peace Engagement Coordinator here in Ukraine. I am from Canada.
What is the Thanksgiving Day for you?
We celebrate Thanksgiving on October, the second Monday of the month, and in many ways we have many of the same foods as an American Thanksgiving, but maybe not quite as big a holiday as in the United States.
And what do you usually do in Canada for Thanksgiving Day?
It's very common that for usually the Sunday or the Monday, family will gather around and have a very big feast. We will have turkey and stuffing, potatoes, usually some vegetables, and usually some sort of pie like pumpkin pie or apple pie.
Wow. And what's your favorite dish?
Pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie. Okay. What's your favorite part of Thanksgiving Day in Canada?
I enjoy the food, of course. That's always the highlight in Canadian Thanksgiving. It doesn't have the same level of cultural significance, I think, as in the United States. So it primarily is about food and family. So getting to spend a whole day smelling the house as all the food smells start building up, and then finally getting to sit down and all eat as a family. Usually before we eat, we'll also talk about things that we are thankful for from the past year, and then we dig in.
Is this English?
Yeah.
Okay. Washington.
Yes, that's right.
What are you grateful for?
I am very grateful that I've had this opportunity to come and work in Ukraine. So I'm very grateful to be here.
Cool. Thank you.
Gosh, they're like real. The real thing.
So what is this?
This is green bean casserole.
And you mix
French
it?
onion rings. Homemade.
Yay! And it's made by two beautiful ladies. Hello! Hi!
Your hair looks so pretty.
Yes! I'm gonna be a food blogger very soon. Look at this! So I'm Karina, and I'm from Ukraine.
What is your impression of American Thanksgiving?
I love Thanksgiving. First of all, I think that when you're thankful, it gives you freedom and it fills your heart with joy and love. And that experience, it's very good because you spend time with the family, you taste very good food, and this is the food that I haven't tried before because I live in Ukraine. Apple crumb pie. There are sweet potatoes with the what's on the top? I forgot.
Mini balls.
That's the turkey. The turkey is gone officially.
Does Ukraine have any similar traditions?
In Ukraine, we thank God for harvest, but we don't celebrate Thanksgiving Day as people in America or Canada do.
If you were to take one aspect of this tradition and carry it into the rest of your life, what would you want to take with you?
I definitely want to have this as a family tradition to celebrate Thanksgiving Day. First of all, to be thankful. Second of all, it's good to gather the whole family and friends together and just cook a nice meal. It's a very good experience when you cook the whole day with your friends or families, and then in the evening you just share it with everyone and just have fun together. So all of that I want to take into my family.
So to finish off, what is one thing you are thankful for?
I'm thankful for people that God gave me in my life. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video up to the very end. I hope that you have found something new for yourself, and maybe you would like to take some of those traditions and apply it in your life. Be happy and thankful. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.